Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Hostgator. So as you can see, my domain is already added, but to add it on your Hostgator domains, you want to click add a domain and add as an external domain, because the transfer in will cost you quite a lot. Once you click on it, you're going to enter your domain name and add it. Then you will have it here, and once you click on settings, you will have name servers, which we now need to change on GoDaddy. So on GoDaddy, to find those settings, I want to go ahead and click on domain settings. After that, click on DNS and on name servers. From here, you will see your name servers, which you need to go ahead and click change on. And now we're going to delete these ones. And to find the name servers on your Hostgator, you will go now to hosting right there in the left corner. After that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see your DNS records right there. So you're going to copy both of these and paste them to your GoDaddy, just like so. And copy the second one and paste it here and click save. After you have done that, you will wait a little bit and it should update. Now here it is, your name servers are now changed, and that's pretty much it. Once you have connected your DNS records, your domain is now all connected. This will also change, you will see it. And that's how you connect GoDaddy domain to Hostgator hosting. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.